Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we are going to continue exercise 7.3 of coordinate geometry. So in exercise 7.3 we have to do area of triangle. So we have to deal with questions related to area of triangle. So you have already heard one formula of area of triangle. Area of triangle, this is half into base into altitude. So here we are not going to use this formula because we are doing coordinate geometry. Every point, everything we are doing which is on Cartesian plane. That's why each of the point it has two coordinates x and y. So now we will see what is the formula of area of triangle if it is formed in Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane means this is a triangle and each of the vertices of triangle it will have 2 points. One is for x coordinate and one is for y coordinates. So each of these points they will have different values of x and y, and this triangle is formed in this plane. So now for the value for the point A, the coordinates I will mark it as x1 y1, at B I will mark as x2 y2, and C I will mark x3 y3. Now we have to see one formula is given to us. We will use that formula in order to find the area of this triangle. So which is area of triangle half. So first of all just write the values of x. This simple way I am telling you to remember the formula. X1, just leave space here, then x2, leave space, then x3. So this is a way to remember this formula. So now 1 you have to leave and remaining values of y you have to write. For example, y1 you have to leave. So you can write here y2 minus y3. See y1, x1 where we are writing x1. So you have to take y2 minus y3. Now x2 means y2 you have to leave. So we can write it as y3 minus y1. x3 means y3 you have to leave. So it will be y1 minus y2. So this is the formula of area of triangle which we are going to use in this exercise. So since this is the third exercise, we have already done section formula and distance formula. So there you might come across some questions in which you have to use other formulas also, like distance formula and section formula. Now let's start with the first question of this exercise. In the first question you have to find the area of the triangle whose vertices are given to you. Vertices means points A, B and C are given to you. I will draw one triangle. So these are the vertices where two sides are joining, A, B and C. So I will name A as 2, 3 and the coordinates of B I will give 1, 0 and C it is 2, minus 4. So area of triangle formula I have explained you, I have given you just now. We can apply the same formula and we can find the area of given triangle. So which is half into, so we will write in that way, x1, x2 and x3, and then you can write the remaining y2 minus y3, y3 minus y1 and y1 minus y2. Here you can name these points. You can write as this x1 y1, x2 y2 and this is x3 y3. You can name it in this way also. Now we just have to substitute the values. So 1 by 2, x1 you can write, you can see from there it is 2, y2 you can see it is 0, minus y3 which is minus 4, plus x2 it is minus 1, y3 it is minus 4, minus y1 which is 3, plus x3 it is 2, y1 it is 3 and minus y2. Minus y2 means it is 0. So 1 by 2 it is 2 into 0 minus of minus 4. So minus and minus sign, it will be changed to plus sign. So it will be 0 minus 4, it will be 4. Now first of all we'll solve this. See, whenever this plus sign we can write as it is, this one, and we'll solve this whenever some number is outside the bracket. Okay, we'll do this one. So minus 4 minus 3, which will be equal to minus and minus, it is plus. So 4 plus 3, it is 7. I can write here and with the minus sign. So minus 4 minus 3, it will be minus 7. This minus 7 I have to multiply with this minus 1, because this bracket I have to multiply with this. So minus 1 into minus 7, minus and minus sign will get cancelled. So 1 into 7, it will be 7. So directly I am writing here plus 7. Now plus 2, 3 minus 0, it will be 3. So 2 into 3 we can multiply, which is 6. So here 2 into 4, here I will multiply 2 into 4, it will be 8. 8 plus 7 plus 6, we can do the addition. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 6, it is 21. So 21 by 2 square units. So with area you always have to write, because if it's given in centimeter, like earlier we were finding the area, so we were writing centimeter square, meter square. So here our value was in units. From starting we are writing units, so that's why with the unit we will write square now. So it is 21 by 2 square units. First question, it has two parts. One I have done for you. Second, you just try. Same formula you have to apply. Just find the area of the triangle and post your answer in the comment section. Now let's do the second question. In second question, we have to find the value of k for which the points are collinear. Collinear means all the points, they lie on one single line. So if I have one line AB, so all the 3 points, they will lie on this single line. So if all the points are collinear, which means they cannot form triangle. If they cannot form triangle, then which means the area of the triangle will be 0, because there is no triangle, there will not be any area. No area means we can use this thing that if the points are collinear, then the area of the triangle, it will be 0. And by using this we can find the value of k. So we will write, if the points are collinear, then area of triangle, it will be equals to 0. So here also we'll use the formula of area of triangle. I will mark these points as x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. So area of triangle, which is half into, I will write in this way, x1 plus x2 plus x3. So here we'll write y2 minus y3, y3 minus y1 and y1 minus y2. It is equals to 0. That's what we have written. If the points are collinear, means they are lying on single line, then area of triangle, it will be 0, because there will not be any triangle. So I will just substitute the values now. x1 it is 7, y2 it is 1, y3 it is k, plus x2 5, y3 again you can say it is k, minus y1, y1 is minus 2, plus x3 it is 3, y1 minus 2 minus y2, y2 is 1. So this is equals to 0. Now half into 7, 1 minus k we will write as it is, or if you want we can do multiplication also, because if number is written outside the bracket, that number will get multiplied with both the terms inside the bracket. So we can write 7 into 1, it will be 7, minus 7 into k, it will be 7k. So 7, it will get multiplied with both the terms present inside the bracket. Same goes here also, plus, so this 5 it will get multiplied with k also and with this also. So first of all, two signs are together, so we have to make these two signs into a single sign. So I can write k, minus and minus it is plus, so I have converted two signs into a single sign, so k plus 2. Now this 5 we have to multiply with k also and with 2 also. So it will be 5 into k, it will be 5k, plus 5 into 2, it will be 5 into 2, it is 10. So in one single step I have done this, I have changed this sign also and I have done the multiplication also. Now next one, plus 3. So here again first we will solve this bracket, minus 2 minus 1, minus and minus it is plus, so 2 plus 1 it is 3 and with a minus sign, because this I have already explained. So minus 2 minus 1 it will be minus 3 and this you have to multiply with this. 3 into minus 3 it will be minus 9 is equals to 0. Now this 1 by 2, see this 2 is getting divided this side, let's shift it to other side, so it will get multiplied with 0 and remaining inside terms we will write as it is. So 7 minus 7k plus 5k plus 10. So again two signs are together, we have to make it a single sign, plus minus is minus, so 10 minus 9 we can write. Here other side we have 2 or we have 0 and this 2 we are shifting to other side. When this 2 is getting divided this side, on shifting its side it will get multiplied, so 0 into 2. 0 into 2 it will be 0, so directly we can write 0. Now let's add all the like terms. We can say these 2 are like terms and these 3 are like terms. So minus 7k plus 5k, minus plus is minus with a sign which is with a bigger number. So 7 minus 5 it is 2, so with bigger number we have minus, so it will be minus 2k, minus 7k plus 5k will be minus 2k. Now remaining terms, plus 7, plus 10 and minus 9. So plus 7 and plus 10, both terms positive sign, 7 plus 10 it will be 17, minus 9 is equals to 0, minus 2k, 17 minus 9, so it will be 8 is equals to 0. We need to find the value of k, so shift 8 to other side, plus 8 it will be changed to minus 8, on shifting of side it will be 0 minus 8, so 0 minus 8 it will be minus 8. This minus is this minus sign you can cancel, so k is equals to 8 by 2, because this 2 is getting multiplied this side, on changing the side it will get divided, 2 into 1, 2 into 4, so k is equals to 4. We have two parts for this question also. Just try the second part and find the value of k, post your answer in the comment section. Now let's do the third question. Third question, it's given, find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of triangle whose vertices are these. So first we will do this, then we will come to the second part. So one triangle is given to you, ABC, let's name it, and its vertices are also given to you. This is A is 0 minus 1, B is 2 1 and C is 0 3. So you have to find the area of that triangle which is formed by joining the midpoints of all these sides. For example, if the midpoint of AB it is D, and midpoint means exactly central point, so midpoint of BC it is E and midpoint of AC it is F. So if we join these midpoints, see I am just joining the midpoints, so I got one small triangle, you can see this one. So we have to find the area of this triangle. So but in order to find the area of this triangle, we should have the coordinates of the vertices. For example, we should have the coordinates of point D, point E and point F. So here we'll use section formula, because in the previous exercise we have already learned whenever this point is the midpoint of this line, whenever this point is the midpoint, so directly we can find its coordinates by applying this formula. For example, if the coordinates of D are x and y and point D is midpoint of this line, so which we have already discussed in previous exercise also, then the value of x coordinate, it will be x1 plus x2 upon 2, and the value of y coordinate, it will be y1 plus y2 upon 2. So if I have to find the coordinates of D, then this will be x1 y1 and this will be x2 y2. So in this way we will find the coordinates of each of these points. First let us start with point D. So I'll put the values of x1 and x2. x1 is 0, x2 it is 2 upon 2. So 0 plus 2 it is 2, 2 upon 2 it will be 1. So just section formula we have applied when this point is the midpoint of this line. Now let's find the value of y. So y1 plus y2, y1 is minus 1 plus y2 which is 1 upon 2. So plus 1 minus 1 it will be 0. Two numbers with opposite signs, two same numbers with opposite signs, they will get cancelled. So I got y is equals to 0. So x1, this x is 1 and y is equals to 0. So I'll remove this. So I got the coordinates of D as 1, 0. Now let's find the coordinates of point F. So same way we have to do, because F is the midpoint of AC. So here I'll consider these points as x1, y1 and the points at C I'll consider x2, y2. So let's find the coordinates of this point F. x1 plus x2 upon 2. So when we are finding the x coordinate, 0 plus 0 upon 2, it will give us 0. So x coordinate of F point, it is 0. You can see x1 is 0 and x2 is also 0. Now let's find the y coordinate. y1 it is minus 1, y2 it is 3 plus 3 upon 2. So minus plus is minus, so 3 minus 1 it will be 2 with a positive sign, because bigger number it has positive sign. So 2 upon 2, 2 and 2 it will get cancelled, so I got 1. So the coordinates of F point is 0, 1. Now let's find the coordinates of point E. Again E is the midpoint of BC, due to which we are applying the section formula to find the coordinates of point E. In this case x1 and y1 is at point B. So I just have to substitute the values. x1 it is 2 plus x2 it is 0 upon 2. So 2 plus 0 it will be 2 upon 2. So it will give me 1. So x coordinate of point E is 1. Let's find the y coordinate. 1 plus y1 is 1 plus 3 upon 2. So 1 plus 3 it is 4, 4 upon 2, 4 into 1, 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4. So 1 and 2. Now I have the coordinates of point D, E and F, or I can say I have the coordinates of the vertices of this triangle, for which I have to find the area. So now let's try to find the area of this triangle. So area of triangle, the formula which we have learnt just now, same formula we will apply. So area of triangle, it is half. So first we will write x1 plus x2 plus x3. Afterwards remaining values we can write y2 minus y3, y3 minus y1 and y1 minus y2. See, if 1 is there in y, we have to leave 1. If 2 is there in y, we have to leave 2. In that way, I want you to remember this formula. Now let's substitute the values. If I am taking this triangle, I'll write the value. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2 and this is x3 y3. Any point you can give any name, your answer will not change. So x1 it is 1, y2 minus y3. y2 I have written here, which is 2 minus y3 which is 1 plus x2 is 1, y3 which is 1 minus y1 it is 0 plus x3 I have written here it is 0, y1 which is 0 minus y2 which is 2. So we got 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 plus 0. If you multiply 1 into 2 minus 1 it is 1 plus 1 into 1 minus 0 it is 1 plus 0. So 1 into 1 it is 1 plus 1 into 1 again 1 plus 0. So 1 plus 1 it is 2, 1 by 2 into 2. This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So my area of this triangle is 1 square unit. Area of this smaller triangle is 1. Let's see the second part of this question. Find the ratio of this area, this which we have found just now, to the area of the given triangle. So which means now we need the area of this given triangle. This is ABC. So first of all let's find the area of this triangle by applying the formula of area of triangle. So same formula will apply. It is 1 by 2 into x1 plus x2 plus x3. Now we can write y2 minus y3, y3 minus y1 and y1 minus y2. So here I have written the values of x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. We can simply substitute the values. So x1 we can see here it is 0, y2 it is 1, minus y3 it is 3. You can say y2 it is 1 and y3 it is 3 plus x2 it is 2, y3 it is 3 minus y1 it is minus 1 plus x3 it is 0 and y1 it is minus 1 minus y2 which is 1. So we have just substituted the values of x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Now let's solve it. So if any number it is getting multiplied with 0, it will be 0. 0 into anything it will be 0. Plus 2, so here I have 2 into 3 minus of minus 1. So 2 signs together we have to change it into single sign. So minus and minus it is plus. So 2 into 3 plus 1. This 3 plus 1, so here itself we can do it. 3 plus 1 it is 4. So I will write 4. 2 into 4 it is 8. Again here we can see 0 is getting multiplied with this number. So whenever 0 is getting multiplied with any number it will give us 0. So 0 into this will be 0. So I got half into 0 plus 8 plus 0 it will be 8. So 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 4 is 8. So I got the area of this triangle equals to 4 square units. So area of the smaller triangle we have already found that which is 1 square unit. So let's find the ratio now. So ratio directly you can write in this way. Ratio both the triangles you can write. Ratio is equals to area of triangle, this one DEF, because we have given the name, so directly names of the triangles we can write. Then area of triangle. So on the top you have to write, because they have mentioned of this area, this means smaller one which we have calculated in the first one. So that's why you have to write this triangle on top to the area of the given triangle. Given triangle is ABC. So you have to write, if you write in opposite way your sum it will get incorrect. So area of triangle DEF it is 1 square units, or I can write 1. Area of triangle ABC just now we have found it is 1. So ratio will be 1:4. Now let's do the next question of this exercise. The fourth question it is given, find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices taken in order. So the vertices of a quadrilateral has been given to you. You have to find the area of this triangle quadrilateral. So quadrilateral is a four-sided figure. So these are the vertices: -4, -2, -3, -5, 3 minus 2, and you have to take all the vertices in order, means if the points are A, B, C, D, you have to do in order. So here you can write A, B, C, D. Now you have to find the area of this quadrilateral. So how we'll do? Just join one of the diagonal. Now can you see two triangles are there, one this one and the other one this one. And area of triangle, we already know the formula. In the previous question also we have done, and we have used the formula for area of triangle. So same formula you can use. First of all, find the area of triangle, this ADC, this one you can see ADC. So if you find the area of this triangle, here x1 y1 you can mention, x2 y2, x3 y3. Now you can apply the formula and you can find the area. Same way you have to find the area of triangle ABC. So in this case, vertices will be x1 y1 at A, x2 y2 at B, x3 y3 at C. So this we can remove. Same formula we can use. So you can see, if you add the areas of these two triangles, you will get the area of the complete quadrilateral. So you can write area of quadrilateral ABCD, because the name of the quadrilateral is ABCD, we have given the points, is equals to area of triangle ADC plus area of triangle ABC. So simple formula of area of triangle we have to apply. So I want you guys to try it yourself and find its answer. I have already explained, and you can post your answers in the comment section. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Now let's do the last question of this exercise. In the fifth question, it's given, you have studied in class 9th that the median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. So you have to verify this result for a triangle whose vertices are given to you. So you have been given one triangle ABC and whose vertices are given to you. So first of all, you have to understand the meaning of median. I am sure you know it also. So when you draw any line from one vertex of a triangle and it intersects the opposite side, you can see from A I have drawn one line and it is intersecting line BC. So in one triangle, three such lines can be there, like this and like this. So we will only take one line as of now. So three medians are possible in one triangle. So median is always from one vertex to the opposite side. See, vertex to opposite side. So let's name this as point D. So you have studied that median, it divides this triangle in two triangles whose areas will be equal. So if this is a median, if the area of this triangle ABD is 15 square units, the area of triangle of ADC, it will also be 15 square units. So this you have to prove. So the vertices will write A, it is 4 minus 6, B, it is 3 minus 2, and C, it is 5, 2. Now in order to find the area of this triangle, because we have to find the areas of the two smaller triangles, because we have to prove area of this triangle is equals to area of this triangle. So in order to find the area, we need the vertex of this point, point D. So median, it is always drawn to the midpoint of the third side. From this vertex, it is drawn to the midpoint. So we know if this is a midpoint, we can directly apply section formula and we can find the coordinates. So section formula we have learnt in the previous exercise. If D is the midpoint of line BC, then you can find the coordinates of D by applying this formula, x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. So section formula we are applying here, x1, y1 and x2 y2. We can put the values. X1 is 3 and x2 is 5 upon 2. 3 plus 5, it is 8 upon 2. 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 4 is 8. Now let's do this. So we have found the x coordinate of point D, which is 4. Now let's find the y coordinate. y1 is minus 2, y2 is plus 2 upon 2. So minus 2 plus 2, it will be 0. So the y coordinate of point D is 0. So we have got the coordinates of point D 4, 0, and this we have done by using the section formula. So section formula, why we have applied this direct formula? Because D is the midpoint of line BC. Now we have got the coordinates of all the points. So we can find the area of triangle. First of all, let's find area of triangle ABD. Area of triangle ABD. So let's write the values. X1, Y1, it will be X2, Y2, it will be X3, Y3. So let's write the formula of area of triangle, which is 1 by 2 into x1. So same way we'll write x1, x2 and x3 first, then the y terms, y2 minus y3, y3 minus y1 and y1 minus y2. So let's substitute the values of x and y's now. So x1 you can see from there, it is 4, y2 it is minus 2, y3 it is 0, plus x2 it is 3, y3 again 0, minus y1 minus of minus 6, plus x3 it is 4, y1 minus 6 minus y3 y3 it is 0 minus y1. So just y1 we have to write, which is minus 6 minus y2, which is minus 2. So we have written all the values. See, while writing the signs you have to be very careful which minus and plus sign, because one change in sign your sum, the entire question it will be incorrect. So 4, 2 minus 0, minus 2 minus 0 it will be minus 2, plus 3 into 0 minus of minus 6. Two minus signs together we have to make one single sign. So minus and minus it will be changed to the sign of plus. So only 6 we can write, because plus 6, 0 plus 6 it will be 6 only, plus 4. So minus, again two minus signs are together, minus 6, minus and minus it is plus 2, minus plus it is minus. So minus 6 plus 2 it will be minus 4. Now let's multiply all the terms. 4 into 2 it is 8 with a minus sign, plus because minus we have here. 3 into 6 it is 18, plus 4 into minus 4 it will be minus 16. So minus plus, again two minus signs are together, so we will change minus plus will be changed to minus. Now let's solve it. So here I can do half into minus plus, it is minus, so 18 minus 8 it will be 10 with the plus sign, because with 18 we have plus sign. So 10 minus 16, 10 minus 16 it will be minus 6, because plus minus is minus with the sign which is with the bigger number. So 1 by 2 into minus 6, 2 into 1 is 2 and 2 into 3 is 6. So we got minus 3. So minus 3 units we can write, square units. Only 3 units we can write, because area it cannot be negative. Now let's find out the area of the other triangle. So same way, same formula we have to apply, and only the values of x and y's it will get changed. So let's write it down. So you have to remember that area of this triangle we have found it's 3 square units. So now it will be area of triangle ADC. ADC. So it will be 1 by 2 into A will be x1 y1. So D we can write x2 y2 and C it will be x3 y3. These points we won't consider now. So 1 by 2 into x1 which is 4, y2 minus y3, y2 it is 0, minus y3, y3 is 2 plus x2, x2 is 4, y2 it is 0, y3 it is 2, minus y1 it is minus 6 plus x3, x3 it is 5 plus y1, y1 is minus 6 minus y2, y2 is 0. Let's solve it. 1 by 2 into 4 into 0 minus 2 it will be minus 2 plus 4 into 2 minus signs together it will be changed into plus sign. So 2 plus 6 it will be 8, 4 into 8 plus 5 into minus 6, because minus 6 minus 0 it will be minus 6. So let's multiply now. 1 by 2 into 4 into minus 2 it will be minus 8 plus 4 into 8 it will be 32, 5 into 6 it will be minus 30. So we can solve it. So these two signs together, minus plus it will be minus, so I will write minus sign. Now let's do it. So 1 by 2 minus 8 plus 32 it will be 24 minus 30, 24 minus 30, minus plus is minus. So 1 by 2 into 24 minus 30, 30 minus 24 it is 6 with the minus sign. So we do cancellation and again we get minus 3 square units. So area we will always write in a positive way. So now we can see for both the triangles we got same values. So it is verified that median of a triangle, it divides this complete triangle into two triangles of equal areas. So with this our chapter coordinate geometry has been completed. So I am very happy that this lengthy chapter has been completed. So if you have any other chapter recommendations, any chapter you want me to explain, you can post your comments. I will be happy to make a video on a particular chapter recommended by you. So do like, do share if you like the videos, if you are understanding the concepts. Thank you so much for watching the videos. Keep on motivating me by posting comments. Thank you.